In this little tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the magic pen to hide bits of an image or a page away and then reveal them slowly and a small bit at a time by dragging a magic spyglass over the top of the page, and you can see that these items are just vanishing away when the magic pen moves over them, and then when the magic pen moves away the items reappear. So I'm going to show you how to create that. What I've got here is a multiplication grid, and I'd like to hide away the answers and then reveal the answers only when I put a magic pen over the top of them. So I'm going to put a box over the top of these, very simple box like this. Now I've hidden my answers away, and I now need to create a magic pen that reveals these answers. Now before I do that I'm going to check my layering, because magic pens are very specific about layers, and anything on the top layer is going to disappear when the magic pen goes over it, and anything on the middle layer isn't going to be affected by the magic pen at all. So this box that I've just created is currently on the middle layer. I'm going to need to put that on the top layer. That's what I want to disappear. My two straight lines are on the top layer, which is okay because I don't mind if they disappear. And then all my answers are on the middle layer, which is correct because they're going to be revealed by the magic pen. So this page seems to be set up perfectly for the magic pen now. Now I'm going to create a magic spyglass by using a rectangle or a square, and I'm just going to move that onto the top layer. And actually I'm going to rename this. Actually I can't rename. Why can I not rename this? I'm going to rename it to say magic pen box, just so I know what I'm looking at and I can see exactly where my magic pen is in my property browser, and I then know that that's my magic pen box. Now I need to grab my magic pen, which is always in More Tools, and there it is, magic ink, and you can see it's this little square, and I need to very carefully colour out the middle of this box. Now I'm doing this really roughly, and that's not really good enough. Okay, so I'm going to try that again. Undo. Okay, that's a bit better. If you had lots of time you can make this absolutely perfect. I'm not too worried. That'll do for now. And you can see that I've now got magic pen on top of the magic box. It's on the very top of this entire layer. I'm going to select those two items and I'm going to group them as one item now. So my magic pen box and my pen are grouped together. And you can see that as I move my magic pen, my magic spyglass over everything, it reveals what's underneath. Now you can see that my little axes, my little grid lines, are also disappearing. That's because they're underneath the magic pen. If I want to save them, if I just move them on top of the magic pen and reorder that top layer, they now don't disappear when the magic pen moves over them. So I've now created a very quick and easy revealing activity using the magic pen.